some more probability now, where we have a pack of cards. Each one has a shape. It could be a triangle, square, pentagon or hexagon. Now Anne picks one of the cards at random, and the table, which isn't completed, is given below of the probabilities that she picks a square or pentagon. So the probability that a card does not have a picture of a pentagon, well, to find the probability of not, that's 1 minus the probability that we do get it. So it's 1 minus 0.25, which gives me 0.75. Now we're told there are 200 cards in the pack. How many of the cards have a picture of a square? So 0.45, or 45% of the cards have a square. So we just need to do 200 times by 0.45. Okay, so if you weren't sure how to do this, you could find 10%, then find 5%, and then work it out. Okay, so if we were to do that, a bit of working over here, 10% would give me 20, so therefore 5% would give me 10, and obviously 40% would give me 4 times 10%, which would give me 80. So 45%, or 0.45, would give me 80 plus 10, would give me 90. Or you could think about, if we times this by 2, we're going to get 0.9, so times it by 200, and we're going to get 90 of them. Now, tricky question at the end, where we're told that the probability that her card has a picture of a triangle is the same as that of a hexagon. How many of the cards have a picture of a triangle? So the first thing we have to do is work out the probability of a triangle and a hexagon. So we know that these two numbers at the moment will add up to 0.7. And let's at the moment call this x, and this is x as well. So we get x plus 0.7 plus another x, so we've got 2x, is all equal to 1, because all the probabilities add up to 1. So therefore 2x is equal to 0.3, which implies that x is equal to half 0.3, which is 0.15. So we've now got the probability of a triangle, but the question actually asks how many of the cards are a triangle. So just as in part B, we now have to do 200 times by 0.15, which is 15%. So we could use the information up here. 10% is 20, 5% is 10, or just do a multiplication. Either way, we're going to find the answer is 30. Okay, lots of information to take down there. Make sure you understand it all.